Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Union Beach, and thanks for coming out. I just want to say I'll be back after the governor's done speaking, but thank you for everything, and thanks for coming back to Union Beach. And with that, I'd like to introduce who I believe is to be the greatest governor in the history of this state, Governor Chris Christie.
Well, after that introduction, thank you, goodbye. I'm proud to be here today with the commissioner, with the members of the Army Corps, and obviously with the mayor and council to announce a $202 million resiliency project in partnership with the Army Corps that's going to bolster storm protection here in Union Beach. The project's going to involve the construction of levees, flood walls, tide gates, pump stations all throughout Union Beach. In addition, the beaches, the dunes, and the jetty structures will be designed and rebuilt to slow the loss of sand from beaches, and more than 25 acres of wetlands that had been degraded will be restored in order to better absorb floodwaters in the future. With the engineering and design process underway as part of a pre-construction phase of development when Sandy struck all of us in 2012.
So today is another example of how that money is being used so wisely. This is a project that I think is going to cost about $200 million, a lot of money. But we all know what has to be done to bring the Bay Shore back and to make this town one of the best.
We have to do this plan. Let's get moving. Let's get started right away. These projects are part of even a bigger plan that's been laid out in conjunction with the Army Corps of Engineers to protect the entire coastline of New Jersey. Your support will ensure these projects get started on time and make sure they get done on time.
We always said from the days after Sandy hit that this would not be fixed overnight, that this was years and years to recover from this completely. In the end, you all have been an inspiration to the rest of the country. They've watched what's happened here, and they've watched how neighbors have helped neighbors, and friends have helped friends, and volunteers from all over the country have come here and walked away with an extraordinary impression of the people that they met, and their generosity, and their toughness, and their honesty. And Union Beach is absolutely emblematic of that spirit here in this state. I hope that we never see another Sandy. None of us ever want to go through what we went through in the aftermath of that storm. But we got to prepare for the possibility that it will happen. And that's what this is all about.
Well, we did get great news today, which probably is the greatest news this town has ever received about a flood project. And it's something that Ed and Dennis and T&M Associates have been working on for 20 years. T&M they've turned this town around. So I mean, this guy right here with Dennis and the rest of the crew, I don't know what we do without him.